জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Mom. Mom! What did you think? Your son will defeat me by calling me mother? And I will lose so easily? No. Never. Never, Kalpana. I was a secretary in Topobrata's business. I have become his wife with both my sons alongside. I have struggled and worked very hard to capture this family, only to hand everything over to your son. Not your son. My sons will get everything. My sons will get everything. By hook or by crook. Nayan, I can see that you're attracting your death.
No. I will be alive. And I will save Shukla as well.
What is this?
I bow down to you, madam. With all due respect, you showed me a way to save Shukla today. I don't have to worry about anything anymore. Sister Shukla will be saved. Goddess, hey goddess, give me strength. Please give me strength.
What did she say? What did she want to say?
That's why the girl was being so restless. What did I see? Shukla's wedding sari was just like the one Nayan mentioned. I have to let Nayan know about it. Everyone misunderstands her, but I know the reality. She really wants to save her. Nayan! Hey Nayan! Nayan, I have seen Shukla wearing the same wedding sari. What's this? Who opened the door? Nayan! Nayan is not here.
What do you mean Nayan is not here?
The room is empty. Did you let her out of the house?
Me? No. Nayan. The key was in my... Who took the key from my sari?
Grandfather, what's the news of the wedding? Your madam humiliated me and threw me out because she won't let beggars enter the wedding. Nayan has stopped the wedding, right?
That means you opened the door for Nayan. That means, Kamini, you are the one who sent Nayan to that house. I won't spare you today.
Mother...
You wait. You have such audacity. You took the key from my sari and put Nayan in
Mother,
danger.
no.
How dare you?
I might
the
get
girl
hurt.
will die if the
Please,
wedding
Mother.
gets cancelled. She will
Mother,
be
no.
finished. They will kill her. My daughter will die. They will kill her. They will kill her. They will kill her. What do you want? Do you want her to die? What do you want?
What I did is right. What I did is right. I was humiliated in front of the whole village because of Nayan.
Nayan's mother! Nayan's mother! There she is. Here, tell us, can't we live in peace because of your daughter? Tell me.
You couldn't stop her from speaking, but you could at least lock her up. Why? What did Nayan do?
What did she do? She has created a havoc in Sen house. She told that Shukla will drown in the water today in front of groom's family.
Your daughter always says inauspicious things. They are the head of this village. Will she be able to stay in this village after making them upset? Listen, Nayan won't be spared today. Come, let's go.
What's the matter? Are you okay? Are you feeling sick or something? Tell me.
The show now begins. I hit 2 crows with 1 stone today. I ruined the wedding at Madam's house, and my annoying sister will be thrown out of the village.
Goddess, I bow down to you today. You showed me a way to save Shukla.
I will either kill you by beating you up, or I will drown you in the pond today.
Goddess, I could have never imagined that you will show me a way through Madam. I made a mistake by getting angry at you. I will do the task now.
Hey, Sister Nayan, why are you getting inside the pond?
I think I should hide over here. If Sister Shukla comes over here, I can keep a watch on her and then save her.
Oh Lord, my leg. My leg is hurting so much.
I have been massaging your legs since then. You sometimes say it's your calf muscles and then say it's your knees. Please try to get some sleep now, Grandma.
I should sleep. Can someone sleep when they are hurting? Weird. You can't even figure out where the pain is. The pain runs through my knees and then goes down.
Grandma, why should the maid massage your legs when I'm here? I'll do it for you.
Dripto, come. Why would you massage my legs? I could accept if my granddaughter-in-law would do it. But I don't see you getting married soon. It's my desire that I would see my granddaughter-in-law. Dripto, how many more days will you make me wait?
Grandma, girls of the current times won't massage your legs. Do they care about anyone else? Apart from themselves?
Hey, Sister Nayan, why do you think about others? Are you getting inside the pond because Shukla's mother said so?
You will catch a cold if you get inside the water so late at night. You will get sick. Why are you getting inside the water?
You know what Madam said? That she will drown me in the water. And I got an idea from there. I will be inside the water all night long and keep a watch. Sister Shukla might come here. All of you can go. I will be waiting here.
Don't wait needlessly, Grandma. I think your granddaughter-in-law probably won't come. Even if she does, she won't massage your legs like this. Instead, she might strangle you.
Who would strangle Grandma? I am sure it must be Mom. I knew it. I knew it. Mom gets so violent at times.
What are you saying, Rangana? That my mom is violent? How many kind-hearted people have you seen like my mother?
Don't mind her words. Speaks without thinking. That's why people used to say in old days that one shouldn't talk unnecessarily. Rangana, why do you talk so much?
I made a mistake, Grandma. Believe me, I made a mistake. I saw Mom getting angry and threw away the plate of food on the floor. I really saw this. That's why I thought it is called being violent.
What do you mean she threw the plate of food? Did she throw it or did it fall?
Listen, when it makes a loud noise on the ground, what is it called? Throwing the plate or...
Rangana,
Yes,
why are you saying such absurd things?
I don't know so much, Brother Dipto. Trust me, I went to Mom's room when I heard the plate falling on the ground. I saw the plate and food lying on the floor. The maid was cleaning the mess. I couldn't figure out if Mom did it out of anger or...
What? The plate of food on the floor? Mom didn't eat. Is she sick? I'll be back.
Wait, let me massage your legs.
You will massage my legs? Okay.
Tell me where it hurts.
Where it hurts?
Yes?
My whole body hurts. Here, there, everywhere. I had cold drinks at the party. My throat is aching because of that.
Shall I strangle you?
Ah!
How do you know that Shukla will drown today? Did she tell you?
No. I saw her wedding sari. Sister Shukla is getting married today. And I saw the same wedding sari that she wore. Now you all should go. Or I will be scolded because of you guys.
You will be scolded. You didn't listen to what we said. You know, you are impossible.
Goddess, please don't defeat me today. I should be able to save her today. At any cost.
Listen, don't act silly in front of your husband.
You can't act so shy, Shukla. Go to your room. You should answer with love if your husband says anything to you.
Go and win your husband's heart. Not everyone gets a husband like that. You must surrender yourself to your husband.
And another thing, don't be afraid of what Nayan said. Who would take away your happiness when I am here? Now go. Go to your room.
Is your friend really crazy? Are you okay?
Who? Oh, Nayan? Nayan is not crazy.
She was saying that the bride will drown into the water. Is that not crazy? Anyway. When you are well, let me tell you one thing directly.
What will he say? Yes, tell me.
I'm sure you understand why I married a girl from a village despite being from a city. You have to just keep your mouth shut at your marital home, like the way maids spend their lives in the kitchen all the time. Don't try to be my wife. And yes, don't try to restrict me at all. I have someone else in my life. I will stay with her at night. Don't try to restrict me at all. I have someone else in my life. I will stay with her at night.
Nayan! Hey, Nayan!
Nayan!
Nayan! Where are you?
Oh no, mother is coming. She will not let me stay here in the pond if she sees me. But then who will save Shukla if I am not here? What shall I do now?
Nayan!
I can't see Nayan anywhere, Dad.
Where did she go?
Lord knows. Nayan!
Nayan! Nayan!
Nayan! Nayan! They will be able to tell us that. Hey, where is Nayan?
Come on, tell us, did you see Nayan?
Why are you silent? Will you tell the truth or get beaten up?
We don't know.
You don't know? That these kids are the culprits. They are misleading my daughter Nayan.
I won't let mother see me.
Mom? Mom? Mom?
What happened, Dripto? Why are you calling your mom?
Mom is sick, right? Mom doesn't take care of herself. Mom.
Wait. Who told you that she is sick?
No one told me. It's not possible that Mom won't eat the food that I brought for. I'm sure she's sick. Let me go.
Sanjukta, you created a problem by throwing the food. But you also showed the way to solve this problem. Dripto, what's the point of seeing her now? She fell sick because of you.
Because of me? What do you mean?
Yes, Dripto, that's right. Your mom keeps worrying all the time because of you. You just returned from abroad and you said that you will handle the business alone without your brother's help. You understand that Sanjukta still takes you as a child. She was worrying about you handling this huge business and she fell unconscious. Hence the food on the plate fell.
Mom fell unconscious because of me. Move, let me go.
Brother, listen. There is no point in going inside. I've put her to sleep with much difficulty.
Oh. Mom is asleep.
Look, brother. I think Mom loves you more than us. Do you think it would be right to make her worried like this? It would be better if Jeet and I join the business with you tomorrow. I think Mom would be very relieved. Am I right? And Mom will keep falling sick regularly if she sees you working so hard. Right, brother?
Yes, you are absolutely right. Okay, that will happen if Dad doesn't oppose. Okay, I
Did you see that? how Sanjukta's falling ill worked in our favor? Huh? Dripto just fell for it.
Wow, Vicky. Wonderful. You are amazing, I must admit. He just returned home, right? And all of you started playing your dirty games already against him. Really amazing.